So as you can see on my iPad, I am already viewing a file that's in my Dropbox. One of the great things about Dropbox is that you can view many files right within Dropbox without the need to install any additional software. So for example, right now I am looking at a Word document. And this Word document is actually my lesson plan, which I use to teach Use Your iPad to Go Paperless, whether we're teaching it in the classroom or whether you're viewing it online as I'm teaching you. These are my lesson plan notes. And this is a Word document. And you can also view, I'm going to visit a folder in here called Demo Files and show you all the different kinds of files you can view. You can also view Excel files. So if I had an Excel file that I had on my computer that had pertinent information on it and I had put it in Dropbox, if I put Dropbox on my iPad, I can view the file right here. The same thing with PowerPoint. Now, you're not going to get transitions, but that's okay. Because if you're using it as a memory aid or as a lesson plan, you have all you need right here. To be able to view this file and scroll through it without any additional software is great. And the other nice thing that I really love about Dropbox is that Dropbox remembers where you are. So you notice when I first started looking at this PowerPoint, I wasn't on the first slide. I was, I think, here. So the last time I looked at this, I was at the 4th slide. So it remembers where you are on that device. So wherever you last looked at it in Dropbox on that specific device, it will call that back up, which is a very nice additional feature. Dropbox can also handle images. So if you have images that you've stored, you can pull them up in your Dropbox. Sometimes if you have a file that is complex, Dropbox might have a problem pulling it up. But if you want to use Dropbox to display a file, then you can take that document, whether it's a Word file or a PowerPoint file. If you go ahead and save that as a PDF, and that's sort of like creating a digital print of your file, then complicated fonts and tables and other illustrations, they will display properly for you to review. You can also use Dropbox if you'd like to display charts, graphs, and presentations to your students in the classroom. And that would work, I think I have a chart right here, and that would work similar to hooking up a laptop to a projector. So you would take that same cable, and then there's an adapter piece. You can plug that into your iPad, and then if you, whatever files you have on Dropbox, you can display to your students the same way you would use a document.